How to switch account on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath and today I'll guide you on how you can switch account in WhatsApp. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. In order to switch the account, what you can do is you can simply open up WhatsApp and first add in another account. To add another account, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then head into settings. Under settings, you want to head into account, and now here you'll be able to see the add account option, the second last option. Tap on it and tap on add account, and now here you want to enter in your phone number and details and log into your account. Now as you can see here, I have logged into the other account here. I'll just set up my name real quick. As you can see, now you can easily switch account by tapping on three dots this time, and then you can see switch accounts option. Tap on switch account and you'll be able to switch account in between your account. So this way you can simply switch account in WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.